Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's continue writing our My Album module. So this time, let's start writing a photo service. So right click on your service folder and start a new file called photo.service.ts. And that's pretty much gonna be the same as user service for the import part, okay? So I'm gonna just copy and paste here. And injectable export class photo service, and we're going to define a get photos by user. So this method will take one parameter, the user parameter. Okay. We're going to define our HTTP URL, localhost 8080, rest photo by username, by user. Header equals new headers. Okay, we're gonna first set up the content type in the header as application/JSON. And also we're going to define another field called authorization. And it will be a field of bearer token plus local storage dot get item token. Then we're going to return this dot HTTP that post. We haven't defined an HTTP service yet. URL JSON dot stringify user, and pass the header as well. And through a constructor, we'll define our HTTP service. Okay. So that's our photo service for now. And come back to our album, the component.ts. I think there are some closing tags or purposes need to be fixed here. Should be user and error, not this one. Okay, and we need to import the photo service. So we have a get photos by user. Okay, I think the syntax is clean now. And before we can actually use the photo service, we need to register in the app.component. And user service as well. And we'll register it in our providers. Okay. And then come back to our myalbum.html. Okay, we can define a division here and we're gonna have division class code photo list. And again, we'll be using UI grid. Div class equals UI horizontal segments. Span ng4 equals photo of photos. And what we do here is I include a UI segment again, and we'll point out the image. Source equals to HTTP local host 8080/images. Photo.image name. Unselect the photo. Style equals to a cursor. And underneath, we have another division, UI grid. We're lacking a double quotes here. Here we will put the photo title and take a line break. We have another one. This time it's 4 white column instead of 12, and it will be right align. Photo likes. And we're gonna cut this one into our photo list. Okay, so after we have this myAlbum.component, we need to add it to our router. Bring up the application app.component.ts. We're gonna import a myAlbum components, my-album, and we will need to register my album in the directives, and then we will add another path. My-album name will be my album component, my album as well. Okay, and this my album should display in the navigation bar HTML. So let's add that. We're gonna just add it right beside the home link. Router equals to my album. And we don't want to display that if the user is not logged in. So let's add a ngIf condition. Login service to check login. So I just want to make sure we have login service defined here. Okay, that's good. Let's come back to our page from the browser, refresh. Okay, if we log out, okay, come back to this, and we don't have the my album link. Suppose we log in, the my album link comes up. Okay, that's good. And so far we don't have anything because we haven't uploaded any photo yet. Okay, so next time's task is to implement this add photo function. All right, see you guys in the next video. Bye.